Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I have already pre-sectioned my hair already. Alright, so let me show you guys what my hair is looking like. Alright, so I have 3 small braids. Already. Alright, so the hair that I will be using is this hair right here, which is EZ Braid Professional, and this is the color T1B 900. Alright, so this is what the ends look like, burgundy and black. What you need is some gel, rubber bands, and a rat tail comb to part your hair. I'm about to part my hair. What you need is some gel and rubber bands. Alright, so I already parted my hair. Alright, get your grease, any type of grease. Alright, so you get your hair. I want my braids to be kind of thick. Alright, so let me show you guys what my hair is looking like right now. Alright, sides, front, other side. Let me show you guys the back. So now you will need you some mousse, okay, to put on your braids. Hairstyle took me 1 hour and 45 minutes. Alright, so that includes the parting, the separating of the hair, and the 3 small braids. Alright, so I really love this hair. So you can dip this hair in hot water for the ends. Alright, so let me show you guys the hair up in a ponytail. It was very easy to put up in a ponytail, but I only had used 2 scrunchies. Alright, so there's the 2 scrunchies. Okay, there's the sides, the front. Okay. Alright, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate you. Peace out.